Hey, welcome back. Today's March 7th, Sunday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action very quickly, and see how they could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets before diving into Trust Wallet token, TWTUSD, and see what exactly has gone on in this market. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, please do subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys want to support me and don't already have a Weibo brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100 and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market. First, most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me where the money could be trending into. Would it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither? Currently, we do have Bitcoin dominance up almost 0.5%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action up over 3%. Total altcoin market cap up over 2%. Now, this is the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending upwards. I will usually see total altcoin market cap trailing behind Bitcoin price action gains. Okay. I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance to trend downwards, which is generally speaking better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside. On the upside of Bitcoin dominance trending downwards, I will usually see total altcoin market cap leading in gains ahead of Bitcoin price action. On the daily time frame, here is still my focus for Bitcoin dominance because as I've been saying, there is still a development of a bullish pattern here, an inverse head and shoulders pattern. If this pattern actually plays out, not as ideal for the altcoin price action. Let's go ahead to Bitcoin here. As I've been saying, there is still a mixture of signals, bullish and bearish signals here. Okay, on the daily time frame here, the bullish signal here is that it has broken above this falling wedge pattern. Measured target was about 59K. Key resistance here is still the daily 21 MA here, which is the blue line. Okay, bearish signals include monthly time frame and weekly time frame RSIs, still possible bearish divergence scenario that could play out. Now, if we get any more pullbacks, as we have seen last week in Bitcoin price action, it can still affect the overall altcoin price action. Magnitude of that effect would depend on how far up or down Bitcoin dominance is trending. Okay. Let's go over to TWTUSD and see where exactly we are at. TWTUSD here. Let's take a look into the monthly timeframe RSIs down to the daily timeframe RSIs, as I do want to take a look for any red flags, such as overbought RSI readings or possible bearish divergence scenarios. On the monthly timeframe down to the 3-day, really we don't have an RSI reading here since this coin is still pretty new. So I'm not concerned with these time frames, these higher time frames here. So let's go down to the only higher time frame that I consider here. Okay, the daily time frame. Now I do have Fibonacci retracement levels reflecting a top of 90 cents, which I consider to be psychological resistance, while excluding an outlier candle wick here. Okay. Now, possible falling wedge pattern scenario here that has already been broken out of the pattern just right now. Okay. Measure target out of this pattern is about 87 cents. Now, measure targets are theoretical approximate targets only, may actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Okay. Also want to note any lingering resistances above the pattern, such as moving averages. Okay. Let's take a look into the higher time, smaller time frames here. 4-hour 200 is right above the pattern from this snapshot. Let's even go lower and see if we have any more So 2 hour, 200, the orange line, 3 hour, 200, 4 hour, 200, 6 hour, 50 is right above the price action right now. 12 hour, 50, it's also above the pattern, as well as the daily 21 MA. So quite a bit of moving averages that could be acting as resistance between the breakout right now and the measured targets. Of course, also have to note that these fib levels as well, they could be acting as resistance later on as well between right now and the measured targets. Now let's take a look into the critical support here, which is about the 0.618 fib level, currently about 45 cents area. Okay. Now let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, since the price action has actually broken above the pattern already, the next key resistances are the lingering moving averages I just pointed out as of this snapshot, as well as the fib levels here that could be acting as resistance between right now and the measured targets. So bullish case scenario, price action gets over these moving averages and these fib levels as resistance and go towards its measured targets. Bearish case scenario here, if price action actually reverses into this pattern or even tests lower lows. Okay, so currently the support I'll be looking at will be about the 50 cents level, okay, which is also psychological support. If we start getting daily candle close below this 50-cent level, the next level of support I'll be looking at would be about the 45 cents fib level area, okay. So bearish case scenario, if we start getting daily candle closes below 50 cents, this would look like a reversal of this breakout, okay. And then the next level of support I'll be looking at would be the 0.618 fib level, which is also at about the 45 cents area. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. Hope you match your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.